What's up, everybody? It's your boy Rodrick.
And your girl Arie B, baby.
And today we're back at it again with another challenge.
Video. This one, you're just gonna need a blindfold for. Don't need your eyes to see, but your ears to hear.
Because we're doing the Guess the Sound Blindfolded Challenge with household items.
Yeah. So, you wanna go first or you want me to?
Shouldn't we talk about the rules?
Oh yeah, I think we should, yeah. So in the challenge, you need a blindfold and 5 household items. Pretty much, I'm gonna blindfold him. He can't see, he just needs his ears to hear, or listen, I should say. And
we have 3 chances to guess what that item is.
3 chances, y'all, just 3.
3 strikes and you're out. But what's the winner get?
Damn. Yeah, there has, ooh. I think the winner should eat something spicy. What do you think? What do you guys think?
I guess I'm losing.
Let us know in the comments below.
Let us know what the winner should get because it's totally up to you.
All right, let's get it. Starting it up.
Oh God, I'm first?
Yeah, you're first. Sorry. Okay. Tell me if it's too tight. Maybe that's if it
I feel like Bird Box.
fits over this hair. Okay, you see? Okay, I'll be right back.
Ooh. Oh my God. I'm so scared.
Okay, so this is the first item.
Are you back?
I'm back. Chill. This is the first item. Okay, let's see if he gets it. This one is tricky because it technically is a household item.
Is it a toy?
It's not.
Okay, now I have no idea what it is.
Two more chances.
Ooh, pencil sharpener.
One more chance.
Cheese grater, like, you know, Parmesan one.
Okay. Third strike, you're out.
Really?
Really? You want to see what it is?
Yeah. The hell's that? A bag of shells? Does that even count? Cheater!
It's home decor. It's a household
item. Okay, I
item.
guess so. Wow, I never would have got that.
Okay, I got 1 point.
Can you see?
No, I can't.
Cool, you really can't. Here's my first item up for bids.
Is it something you're trying?
Maybe. I don't think we're allowed to give hints in this game. Cheater!
Ooh. What the heck? It's a household item. An umbrella stick?
Nope.
Pizza cutter?
No.
You eat pizza a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. What is this? Are you scratching it or is that just what it makes, like the noise?
Fine, I'm scratching it.
So it's bumpy. I'm like going blank. I don't know. I give up. I don't know. Paper. A ridged paper.
And you're out.
Oh God. Wow.
I thought I gave it away when it sounded like that.
I didn't even hear that. Oh my God.
1-1. I'm ready.
Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, yeah, you can't see.
Okay, either this one is extremely easy or I'm way off. It's a notebook.
A notebook.
It's not? No?
Same item.
What the hell is that? It's a regular book.
There you go, you got it.
Wow.
Got it.
2-1. You can see? Item number 2.
That sounds like a gun. Like one of the little toy guns.
Is it?
Oh God. Why is it black? Is it a lighter?
Nope.
Oh, this game is way harder than I thought.
I know, right?
Is it a toy?
No. Does that count?
Can you give me clues or no? Is it from the kitchen?
It's not a toy.
Whatever it is, it sounds like it's opening and closing.
Sorta.
Like snapping. What the heck could this
I'll give you a hint. You probably use it every day.
A light switch. I'm joking.
A light switch.
I use it. It's a household item. I'm trying to think. Do I use it in the morning?
Probably throughout the day. Maybe overnight.
Dang, sweet. What could that be? Yo, I suck at this game. I have no clue. Can I like touch it?
No, this isn't the what's in the box challenge.
I think that challenge is a little easier, to be honest.
I wonder.
I don't know what it could be. Common sense?
Yes, you got it.
Yes. Yeah, I totally give up. I'm sorry. I suck at this game.
Remove the blindfold.
A charger? Wow.
Yep. I don't think that counts though, so 3-1.
Yeah.
That's weird.
I would have never guessed that. And yeah, I do use it throughout the night. Is it your turn?
Yep.
Okay.
The winner right here.
The third item. Would it focus? Alright, you ready?
I'm ready. Wait, what the hell? I thought I knew what it was, but now I'm not sure. Is it deodorant?
No.
That's what it sounded like first. Wow.
You usually use it like this.
Like what?
This is how you use it. This is the pattern you use it. If that helps.
A tambourine? What is that?
Something that you may use every day. It definitely helps out if something is a little boring.
That didn't help at all. Sprinkles?
I guess you could sprinkle your life, but no. One more.
Wasn't that 3?
It was?
I think so.
Yeah, because you said tambourine being funny, huh? Alright, I guess you could take off the blindfold.
Pepper. Oh wow, white and black pepper.
Yeah. Would you have got it? I thought you were gonna smell it. I had to take the napkin away and like ball it up. I was like, oh shoot, I can smell it.
That's what why did I think that? Because I heard the grinding, why didn't I think that? Ah!
But did you smell the pepper?
No.
That's crazy.
That's weird. Wow, so 3-2.
Gotta spice it up.
I can't believe that. I picked sprinkles instead of pepper. Can you see? Item number 3. Okay, so here's a hint. It's not necessarily a household item.
Okay. Sounds like a fork.
Nope.
Is it silver?
Is it silver?
Is it metal?
It's metal.
Ooh, you're getting the tough ones.
That's weird. I thought you might recognize the sound, sort of. Yeah, probably.
Earrings?
Ah.
Is it my hoop earrings?
Yeah.
Good one.
I was like, it's probably right by your ears, but they're probably not touching, so
Right.
I don't know if it would make the sound.
True, yeah, they don't bang together when they're by ears.
Wow.
You know what? I should probably put those in.
What do we have? 3-3? Wardrobe change.
Be right back. And the fourth item.
What?
Something we use every day.
Chapstick? Is it a phone?
No. Phones don't have buttons.
I know, so
Only one,
like, did you find
3 or 4.
Did you find an old phone? A remote?
Ooh, you got it.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
That's weird. Things sound weird when you can't see them.
you use it every day. I had to take the battery out so it wouldn't start like.
Can you see?
No, but I feel okay. Let me find out you try to slap me.
Item number 4. You're never gonna get this one.
Scissors.
Oh my god. I thought you were gonna say earrings again.
I'm wearing those. That's like the easiest one.
4-4.
Oh, I can take this off now?
Yeah, you already won.
Tiebreaker.
Tiebreaker! Okay, let's get our items. Okay, where the hell do we go? Okay.
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 Why does that sound like an item we've already had?
Because you're blindfolded.
Lighter?
No. Is that a toy? Crazy 2 blind mice trying to guess what's going on.
Right. Bird box challenge.
The little hand thing that slaps together?
That's a toy.
It's a charger.
Are we just gonna guess it till we get it for the tiebreaker?
Yeah, so it takes too long.
Dang, we're definitely gonna have to cut this. Edit. This is hard.
It is.
I feel like I can sit here. That's why this one's taking forever. Can you like, never mind, because we can't see each other. Something from the bathroom?
No, I didn't even guess what yours is yet.
I
These are the
know.
ones.
You said a toy and a clap. And clap.
An abacus?
Okay, should we like start giving like slight clues?
I think mine's
Like,
blue.
Yours is blue?
I think. I can't remember.
Is it?
It's
Is it?
round.
Is it my retainer color?
No.
No, mine is black and plastic.
Wow.
Is it my lip balm?
No. Like wax?
More durable. Hold on, wax isn't plastic.
The jar might be.
I low-key just want to cheat. But I'm not going to.
I want to give up.
I know, right? We'll be here for like 2 hours later.
Exactly.
I guess we should give more clues because we will be here forever.
Like
Except for
blue,
it's
plastic, round, and one side has a black circle on it.
The heck? Mine measures about, I don't know, 13 and a half, 14 inches. It is a shape. It's black and it's plastic.
Wow.
And it's very beneficial. What area of the household will you mainly find these? Your bedroom.
Massager? A back scratcher. Oh, I got it.
This is hard.
Well, mine's found in the kitchen.
There's a black circle. Blue circle plastic. Is it a utensil?
No.
It's very thin, as you can hear. They break easy.
Acrylic fingernails.
No, even though that did happen. It keeps your items up so they don't touch the ground.
Hanger. Did I get it?
Yeah. What is that?
Boom.
Yeah, I would have never guessed that. Magnets.
Refrigerator magnets.
Oh god, yeah.
Ooh, I win. What was it?
Did that on purpose.
5-4.
Cheater.
5-4. That was a lot more complicated than I expected.
Yeah, that took like an hour probably
Ugh.
altogether.
I thought it'd take like 10 minutes. You guys
Yeah.
probably saw it in 10 minutes.
We thought.
So what do you guys think I should get? Let me know what my prize is down below. Like, comment, subscribe.
And